tuilinde. Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike, tulimarike, tumoja wetu limuzo yetu, indumu jumuiya yetu. Uzalendo pia mshikamano iwe msingi wa umoja wetu, na tulinde uhuru na amani, mila zetu na desturi zetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike, tulimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, indumu jumuiya yetu. Iwadani na hata mashambani, tufanye kazi sote kwa makini, tujitoe kwa hali na mali, tuijenge jumuiya bora. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike, tulimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, indumu jumuiya yetu.
Take up your seats. Welcome our dear chief guest, other guests, beloved parents and the entire school community. Before you is Zamzam Junior School 5th Parliament of 2023. One of the most important decisions a parent makes is about their children's education. The decision between public or private schools involves a number of factors. Most significantly, how will this choice make a difference in your child's future? Some members of parliament said that a private school education is so highly recommended, and others say government schools are more supportive to the children and the parents. So, as Zamzam Junior Parliament, it is our role to help the public on which proper decision to make. Hence our motion tonight. Are public schools better than private schools? It is our topic of discussion. Allow me to introduce the technical staff. I myself, I am the Right Honorable Anita, the Speaker of Parliament, also Woman Representative Bukidde District. Sergeant at Arms is Honorable Adolf Moise. Time Manager is Honorable Sempija Vincent Pamulangachi. He is in charge of time, so honorable members respond positively to his bill. After introducing the technical staff, allow me to introduce the honorable members in the house tonight, beginning with the members on the NRM side. The Right Honorable Robin Anabanja, District Woman Representative Kakumiro District. She is also the Prime Minister in the house. Honorable Mpindi Bumari, representing people with disabilities. Honorable Kato Muhammad, representing Katerula County. Honorable Hanson Obua, representing Ajuri County. He is also the government chief whip. Honorable Acheng Sarah Opendi, representing Tororo. Honorable Ismail Muhammad Lama, representing Kotido Municipality. Honorable Namiyangu Jennifer, representing Kibuku. After introducing the members on the NRM side, allow me to introduce the members on the opposition side. Honorable Mathias Impunga, representing Nyendo Mukungwa Division, Masaka City. He is also the leader of opposition. Honorable Adeke Anna Ebaju, representing Soroti. Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, representing Manjia County in Bududa. Honorable Kaya Christine Nakimwero, representing Kiboga. Honorable Nabkenya Brenda, District Woman MP Luweru. Honorable Nakayenze Christine Galiwango, Woman MP Mbale City. Honorable Ibrahim Semuchunganda, representing Kira Municipality. Honorable Nathan Nandala Mafabi James, representing Budadiri West Sironko. After introducing the honorable members in the house tonight, allow me invite the first honorable on the NRM side, that is Honorable Robin Anabanja.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, the two competing bodies plus audience at large. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me define the keywords in the question you have raised. A. Present tense used to mean many. Public, a place accessible or visible to everybody. School, a place designed to provide learning of students. Better, more desirable, effective, satisfactory. Than, used to compare two items. Private, services or industry provided or owned by an individual. Schools, places designed to provide learning of students. Having defined the keywords in the question, Right Honorable Speaker, my answer to your question would quickly be yes due to my following views. Friendship among children. Knowledge of local parents. More options for classes. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me explain my views to all members on opposition side because English tends to disturb them.
No, English disturbs you.
Right Honorable Speaker, I talked of friendship among children. Children in public schools attend school with children living in the neighborhood, making it easier to encourage friendship with classmates residing nearby, which is not the case in private schools with many tribes that bring out clear tribalism.
Yes!
Right Honorable Speaker, I also hinted on knowledge of local parents in public schools. Right Honorable Speaker, here I mean public schools are in local setting where parents and children know each other, and therefore the protection to the school and children is done by local parents, which is not the case in private schools. Since 2018 to date, more than 40 private schools were burnt down because local parents are left out. Lastly, Right Honorable Speaker, I raised a view on more options for classes in public schools. Public schools often have more options for classes, after-school activities and varied curriculums than many smaller private schools that do not have even teaching materials, field for other activities that make children bored and stay in classes Monday to Sunday, morning to evening. Thank you once again, the Right Honorable Speaker. I remain the Right Honorable Robin Anabanja, Prime Minister of Uganda and also District Woman Representative Kakumiro District in NRM Party, for God and my country.
Thank you, Honorable Robin Anabanja. Allow me to introduce the first honorable on the opposition side, that is Honorable Mpuga Mathias.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, the two competitive bodies and the audience at large. Before you is Honorable Mpuga Mathias, representing Nyendo Mkunga Division, Masaka City. Right Honorable Speaker, my answer to your question would quickly be no due to my following views. Parental involvement, open channel of communication, Empowerment to speak on behalf of your child. Increase access to co-curricular opportunities. Right Honourable Speaker, I talked of parental involvement. Parents often find themselves having a much distinct voice in public school system compared to in private school system compared to public school system. Open channel of communication. Right Honourable Speaker, allow me alert my colleagues on the NRM side that parents and administration typically express an open channel of communication with regular parent-teacher contact, welcome the parental involvement, participation and more social events and fundraising campaigns and more, which is not common in public schools. Empowerment to speak on behalf of your child. In a private school, Right Honourable Speaker, as a parent, you are empowered to speak up on behalf of your child and have an involved active role in their education. Increase the access to co-curricular opportunities. Right Honourable Speaker and honourable members at large, at a private school, there are typically more co-curricular options, and due to smaller school size, there is less competition to participate. This gives more students the opportunity to join sports, participate in school music, debate club, football, and Quran memorization. At Zamzam Junior School, 94% of our students' body is at sports team. I conclude by saying private schools are better than public schools. For God and my country, I remain Honorable Mpuga Mathias on behalf of my people of Nyendo Mpunga Division, Masaka City.
Thank you, Honorable Mpuga Mathias. Allow me welcome another honorable from the NRM side, that is Honorable Bindi Umar.
Thank you, the Right Honourable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, the two competitive bodies plus the audience at large. Right Honourable Speaker, allow me move direct to your question, which requires a yes with supporting reasons as outlined below. Public schools have good requirements in place to provide education options. Public schools are well equipped to handle children with special needs. Right Honourable Speaker, allow me explain my views to make them more clear to the members of the opposition side, because they attended their education in schools with teachers of Senior 3 and Senior 4. Yes! Right Honourable Speaker, public schools have good requirements in place to provide education options as outlined in videos with Disabilities Education Improvement Act and utilize research that have handles, which is not a case in private schools.
No, even private schools can afford.
You don't have.
Right Honourable Speaker, public schools also are well equipped to handle children with special needs. In terms of classrooms and toilets are built in the areas, even a child with a wheelchair can manage to enter, which is not a case in private schools. I remain Honourable Bindi Umar, representing people with disabilities at the national level. For God and my country.
Thank you, Honorable Umar. Allow me welcome Honorable Adeke Anna Ebaju.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Protocol observed. I am Honourable Adeke Anna Ebaju, presenting Soroti District. Right Honourable Speaker, allow me to thank Honourable Mpuga Mathias for his wonderful presentation. Right Honourable Speaker, I am not diverting from colleagues on the opposition. We strongly say no to your question Individualized attention from teachers. Individualized attention from teachers. Private schools are typically smaller than public schools. This dynamic benefits students in many different ways. Madam Speaker, a learner will often feel more comfortable sharing his or her opinion or gets answer in a smaller, more setting in private schools than public schools, where a learner will fear to present his or her guest answer.
Those are your shynesses.
Due to large numbers in class. Right, Honorable Speaker, for that reason, private school education is better than public school education.
That is
for
not
God
right.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Thank you, Honorable Adeke Anna Abaju. Honorable members, let's try to give some attention to the audience. Allow me welcome Honorable Kato Muhammad.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, Government Chief Whip, and the two competing bodies in the room tonight. I'm Honorable Kato Muhammad, MP, Katerera County in Rubilizi District. No cost to attend public school. Public schools are free of charge, no money is needed. If you hear that they have just any charge for school fees, call him. I will test the teacher who have tested him or her. Right, Honorable Speaker, I also mentioned that public school offers specialized programs that speak to our child's interests like games. Messi, Mbappe, they learn from our public school because they have their talents. This time there would be doctors, ministers, MPs. Not all children can pick in class. Yes! I have to move, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Kato Muhammad. Allow me to welcome Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, and the two competing bodies at large. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me present my views. Higher academic standard. Statistics back up the fact that private primary schools challenge students to meet a higher academic standard.
Yes!
According to the National Center of Education Statistics, private primary schools achieved more first graders than their public school counterparts.
Due to spoon feeding.
Order.
Students of Zamzam, as with many other private schools, have gone to attend the top secondary school in the nation. We believe this is partially due to their talent and the atmosphere that can be succeeded. For example, Zamzam typically score 4 to 14 aggregates above average.
Yes!
Primary schools are better than public schools. Right Honorable Speaker, I'd like to move.
Thank you, Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe. Honorable members, let's try to keep discipline in the house. Allow me welcome Honorable Hamson Obua.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, and the Government Chief Whip, plus the two competing bodies and the audience at large. I'm Honorable Hamson Obua. I stand to answer the questions as raised by the Right Honorable Speaker to the House, as yes due to my views as listed below. Public school teachers have more experience. Public school teachers are qualified.
Yes!
Public school teachers are certified by the Ministry of Education and Sports. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me explain my views. To begin with, a study by the National Center for Education Statistics showed public school teachers that have more experience
since most of them have served for more 10 years than public school teachers.
Yes.
Right, Honorable Speaker, allow me also inform these members that public school teachers are qualified in the profession than private school teachers who are senior 3 and senior 4 years teaching our children.
Point of inquiry allowed.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. I would like to inquire from the current mover as to why he says of the current mover of the motion as to why he says private schools use senior 3 and senior 4 years, yet they outcompete them whenever PLE results are released.
Thank you, the Honorable Speaker.
Allowed.
Thank you, the Honorable Speaker. I would like to defend my colleague by saying those are well results.
Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Mpili. I would like, in conclusion, therefore parents should take their children to public schools. Right, Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Thank you, Honorable Hamson Obua. Allow me welcome Honorable Kaya Christine Nakimweru.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I am grateful for the chance given to air out my views into tonight's debate. Right, Honorable Speaker, I strongly oppose the motion due to my following views. A strong sense of community, sense of pride, smaller school size. Right, Honorable Speaker, as a strong sense of community and school pride is a significant advantage to a private school. Pupils must go through an application process to enroll, and many private schools require pupils to meet a certain academic standards.
Yes.
Unlike in public schools where there is automatic admission, promotion, and regardless of their abilities. Right, Honorable Speaker, the smaller school size and opportunities to get involved contribute to an enhanced sense of community and school pride. Right, Honorable Speaker, parents will also feel this statement. According to the Fraser Institute survey, 62% environment is motivating, supportive, and nurturing. Madam Speaker, for those reasons, I would love to ask my colleagues on NRM side to stop being hypocrites.
Order in the house.
Their pupils are in private schools. For God and my country.
Thank you, Honorable Kaya Christine Nakimweru. Allow me welcome Honorable Acheng Sarah Opendi.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker, Clerk to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, the Government Chief Whip, and the two competing bodies at large. Right, Honorable Speaker, I am not different from my fellow members on NRM side because of my views to support our yes. Exposure to a greater diversity of cultures, better facilities.
Yes.
Right, Honorable Speaker, allow me explain my views to the House. Exposure to a greater diversity of cultures. The children in public schools shall be exposed to a greater diversity of cultures than in some private schools that may be religion-based.
Yes.
Muslims, Catholics that do not allow mixture. Better facilities in public schools. Right, Honorable Speaker, are known for being better, such as sports fields, classroom blocks, theaters, and many more.
Yes.
In some private schools that have poor structures and lack fields for sports.
Honorable members, order.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. I remain Honorable Acheng Sarah Opendi, District Woman Representative, Tororo District. I beg to move.
Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Acheng Sarah Opendi. Allow me welcome Honorable now Kenya Brenda.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. I am privileged to be among the lucky debaters tonight.
Wow!
Right Honorable Speaker, hypocrisy is a crime according to the holy books. For that reason, I would not love to be one of the hypocrites who say public schools are better than private schools, yet their children are learning in a private schools like you. Tuition assistance grants. Right Honorable Speaker, many private schools are committed to providing financial aid options to make private school education an affordable, accessible alternative to public schools. Right Honorable Speaker, some junior school provide tuition assistance in form of financial aids options, awards to 40% of our students.
Point of education through the Right Honorable Speaker.
Point of education allowed.
I would like to educate the current mover of the motion that as private schools offer a 40% fees reduction, our public schools offer a 100% free education.
Speaker.
Allowed.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. I would like to defend my colleague by saying that it is better to take a 40% offer with a voice on behalf of my child's education than taking a 100% free education in public schools but without a voice to speak on behalf of my child's education.
Right Honorable Speaker, in fact that Zamzam Junior School is happy to consider your case and gives a financial solution, particularly for the need like you. For that reason, I, Honorable of Kenya Brenda, and my people of Luelo consider private school education better than private schools. For those who don't know me, I am Honorable of Kenya Brenda, for God and my country.
Private schools, come to them. Come and reduce in private schools.
Order. Thank you, Honorable of Kenya Brenda. Allow me welcome Honorable Ismail Muhammad Lama.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. Elect to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, Government Chief Whip, and the two competing bodies in the room tonight. I'm Honorable Ismail Muhammad Lamwa, MP, Continuing Municipality and NRM Party. Right Honorable Speaker, as the first members on the NRM side confirmed yes, I also add my yes as per my views listed below. There is no cost to attend the public school. Public school offers specialized program that speak to adjust interests. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me explain my view to make them more clear to opposition side. No cost to attend the public schools. Public schools are free of that, no money is needed. Right Honorable Speaker, I also mentioned that public schools offer specialized program that speak to adjust interests like girls because not all children can pick in class. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Thank you, Honorable Ismail Muhammad Lama. Allow me welcome Honorable Ibrahim Semjunganda.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Elect to Parliament, Sergeant at Arms, Time Manager, Opposition Chief Whip. I appreciate the two competing bodies plus the audience at large. Right Honorable Speaker, thank you for the golden chance given to educate my colleagues on the NRM side on the right question to take their children for education.
Yes, educate them.
We never beg for your education.
Right Honorable Speaker, send out your answer due to my reasons below. Right Honorable Speaker, allow me reach the clerk to Parliament because he may be one of the hypocrites who take their children to public schools for learning. Safe learning environment. Lower staff student ratio. Safe learning environment. Right Honorable Speaker, families love the fact that private schools offer a safe learning environment with a culture that places emphasis on personal responsibilities and ethics.
Yes.
Lower staff to student ratio. Right Honorable Speaker, lower staff to student ratio allows for more observations and interventions in case of a conflict, with a case that places emphasis on personal responsibilities and ethics. Right Honorable Speaker, according to a study conducted by the Fraser Institute, 72% of the private school parents strongly agreed with the statement that their school was self-affected, as they said, but it improved both the quality of their children's educational experience as well as their ability to achieve. I remain Honorable Ibrahim Semujunganda, representing Kira Municipality, Wakiso District FDC Party, for God and my country.
Thanks, honorable members, for those wonderful presentations. At this moment, allow me invite the clerk to Parliament, who has been seriously noting down your points, to address this august house. Honorable Adolf Mesje, you are most welcome.
Thank you, the Right Honorable Speaker. The honorable members, we are grateful for your wonderful presentations. Here are the points raised by the honorable members from the NRMC. Friendship among children, knowledge for local parents, more options for classes, public schools have good requirements. Public schools are well equipped to handle children with special needs. There is no cost to attend public schools. Public schools offer specialized programs that speak to a child's interests. Public school teachers have more experience. Public school teachers are qualified. Public school teachers are certified by the Ministry of Education and Sports. Exposure to a greater diversity to cultures. Better facility. Right Honorable Speaker, proposals have managed to raise 12 points. Right Honorable Speaker, the proposals members have managed to raise the following points. Parental involvement, open channel of communication, empowerment to speak on behalf of your child, individualized attention from teachers, higher academic standards, a strong sense of community, sense of pride, smaller school size, tuition assistance, grants, safe learning environment, lower staff to student ratio. Right Honorable Speaker, the opposers have managed to raise 13 points. Allow me to take back the microphone to the Right Honorable Speaker.
Honorable members, based on your presentation, I feel convinced that a private school education is so highly recommended. Therefore, I would like to advise our parents who can afford private school education to offer it to their children, and to the low-income earners, please don't leave children in the villages. Rather, take them to public schools. Session adjourned. See you next year, 2024.
Stand upright and we sing the anthems. Mungu twaomba uilinde Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki, tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike, tulimarike, umoja wetu ni muso yetu, indumu jumuiya yetu. Viwandani na hata mashambani, tufanye kazi sote kwa makini, tujitoe kwa hali na mali, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike,
tulimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu. O Uganda, may God uphold thee. We lay our future in thy hands. United, free for liberty, together with all
Bandiza omugenyi omukulu. Yes. Aiwa wavaako tujasooka tufuneyo ko omwana. Yes. Yebeta bali.
Islamic Media. Islamic Media.